Hi friends, Britt here with another shuffle dance tutorial. Now this tutorial, if you are a beginner, you are in the right place because today I'm going to teach you a basic move in shuffling called, you might have heard it called the X step or Polly Pocket. So any way you want to think about it, we are going to learn that move. Go ahead and stand up and let's learn it together. All right, here's the move. Starting on my left foot, I'm going to have my right heel down. And something to keep in mind with this move is make sure when you're doing it, your weight is on your back foot. That'll give you the most stability. So here I am on my left foot, right heel down. Then I'm gonna hop up on my right foot, and now my left heel is down. I'm on my left foot, right heel is down. Right foot, left heel is down. If you lost me, stay with me, I'm gonna turn around. Right heel down, on the right foot, left heel down, on the left foot. Right heel down, on the right foot, left heel down, boom. So something to think about when you're using dancer counts is when your heel is down, heel is on the count, transition on the and. Heel is on the count, transition on the and. So if I'm using dancer counts, it's going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. That's the move. Thanks for watching this tutorial, friends. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you in the next one.